got the studio set up. Here you can see the next stage, which is microphones, and it's been plugged into my mobile phone, which is recording on a sound recorder, Forge Lite I downloaded, and this mic goes straight into that now. Audio, just to make sure we get the best out of the audio for you guys listening. So right now I've gone around the house to pick up what I've got available. So it's a mobile phone here we've got, which is the microphone, standard earphones with a mic built in. I've got another set of earphones here which is slightly broken, but the cable I've noticed could be handy because it comes with this third cable which kind of is like a converter from TRS to normal mono headphones. And this lavalier mic's only got 2 sections on the microphone jack, so that doesn't work. I tried recording directly into the phone, into a sound recorder, and that didn't work. So I try to adapt and mix what we've got. Final one is more of a reporter's mic that you use. I've got it at home, I've got the lead for it as well, so I thought I'll give you a section to see how that sounds. Right now I'm recording directly into a mobile phone which is placed in front of me on a Forge app, which is available on the app market, it's Android market. So this shows you how that sounds. If I do, this is the camera audio directly recording into a Panasonic camcorder, which you'll hear a lot of background noise on because there's things in here, like fans and stuff. So that shows you how that it's going to give you the audio 3 feet away. This is a mobile phone directly close to me. I'll show you how I've adapted it. So the microphone there, that's the earphones, get rid of those. They're okay, but that's, get rid of those. And this reporter's mic, get rid of that. This cable here comes with this earphones. So these earphones are Wedzy, I think we're going. But basically these connect, so if I show you there, that just disconnects out. So these were broken anyway, so they're not much use to me. Let's get rid of those. So now here in this cable, you can see there's a mic here, and then that normally goes into the headphones. And the lower section of that has the 3 connectors that I wanted, so the 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So that could technically go in the bottom of the mobile phone and make a mic. The lavalier mic that I've got here has this foam and this clip to clip it, so I'll take those, get rid of the lavalier mic. So now, I tried that, but that didn't work. I thought I could put the lavalier mic in there, into there, and that into the phone, but that didn't work. I think that's still a 3 to 3 as opposed to a 2 to 3. But you can get these converters where 3 can go into the mobile phone and you have a normal mono or whatever you call it on that side. So I've get rid of that. So now this, I'll show you what I've done. I've basically folded it over to make that mic visible. So now this foam goes over that, just like that. So now that has become a mic with 2 wires coming out. Then I use this clip, which was with the lavalier mic there, and then I can just clip that here and get rid of these wires. So a rough one right now, but so that's done. So now this I can plug into the phone, and this will record the audio, so I can show you what that sounds like now. It's been plugged into my mobile phone, which is recording on a sound recorder, Forge Lite I downloaded, and this mic goes straight into that now. So now I'm hoping this sounds a lot better. Well, not a lot better, as long as it's audible and you can hear what I'm saying. I prefer this option to the rest that I've tried, and it was fairly straightforward with the things I had available. I'm hoping that helps you out. Couple of things I'll put in the notes description section to say the mic I had, the mics I tried, and also this app that I downloaded. I might do a little overview of how I downloaded it and set it up, because it is quite good. It's got a little meter on there to show you obviously how high you're speaking, and you can adjust that decibels if you're feeling a bit faint some days and talk a bit lower, or if you're outside and you're talking a bit higher. But that's basically an overview there for you now for the mic setup and how I've set that up here. Boom.